Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add stickers in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding stickers to your videos in Capcut can enhance their visual appeal, convey emotions, or even highlight important parts of the video. Stickers can be used to add fun, creativity, or a professional touch to your content. Well, it's easy to add stickers in Capcut because all you have to do is go to the project that you are working. If you don't, just click the create a new project to begin your work or start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file instead. That will be forwarded to the editor. As you can see, I have been creating this project for quite some time and it lacks creativity. And by doing so, I'm going to add a sticker on it. Alright, so can you add stickers? Well, matter of fact, it's very easy because all you have to do is hover down to the bottom part corner of your screen. Alright, and you would notice that there is an option that says stickers. Click on it and you will be forwarded to these sticker tab where you have multiple options to choose from. Alright, you have like the subscribe, but you may notice that there are stickers that has the pro watermark, so you might want to avoid or skip that for now if you don't have the pro subscription. Alright, so maybe let's use anything that don't have the pro subscription or the pro watermark. Maybe you can use something like this. Good. Alright, you can place it alongside with your video. You can put it here. You can extend the size. You can decrease or increase. Right, so we're gonna put in more stickers along the way. For example, this like small volume display and the subscribe. What about this amazing like snow, falling snow, and then click on the check. All right. Now, you would notice that once we added the stickers, it creates like a fun creativity. You can, of course, extend the duration of this, going here on our timeline. And then hover back to the second. So you want to make sure that it's also extended alongside our video. And then, of course, you can rearrange the elements along the way. You can make it bigger, make it smaller, and you can do a lot of things. All right, click on play to make sure that you created a cohesive video with stickers alongside with it. All right, so it seems like we are successful doing it. Once you are happy with this, all you have to do now is click the export button on top of your screen, save it as a file, or if you want to send it to your client for feedback, just do so. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.